Well, that is what the headline kasi mentioned, no? I don't know if he was asked to comment on it, probably not. And I don't know if any of the actual people involved in those projects were asked, no? And apparently not. And these charges have not come up anywhere. No? So, ang lungkot naman na timing pa yan. The day before the former speaker is supposed to face the independent commission, lalabas something like that, no? But again, it's good because we know that it was something that was intended, I guess, no, to put the former speaker in a bad light. Sana people go into the facts of the case, and I think they, I have seen some of the replies of the people involved, and sa nakikita ko, mukhang wala namang problema sa projects na yon. And everybody is free, of course, to go there and investigate. Which is, I think, something that we all should do. No? I mean, every time there's an allegation like that, tignan natin kung totoo. Di ba?
Pero hindi naman po kayo